making a wine cooler ice bucket. Okay, not for the wine coolers we used to drink in the 80s, but this is a wine cooler, okay, starting with a bucket. Just you need 2 buckets, one big and one about half that size. What we're gonna do is fill this with just water, about 1 inch to 3 inches on the bottom. You can see it's frozen in there. Throw it in the freezer, right? And when that gets good and frozen, we are gonna take a secondary bucket, right? It's gotta kind of fit in the middle like that. Next, we're gonna take some water and we're gonna fill it halfway, right? The base is already frozen. Okay. Pull it out, put the bucket in, fill it halfway with that water. All right? Now comes the decorative part, my favorite part. So now we gotta weigh it down. Since we're gonna use a lot of space in the freezer, just take your frozen green beans, your florets, your peas, and it'll weigh it down, because what happens, right? It's buoyant, right, with the water displacement. And then we're gonna fill it halfway, approximately, and we are gonna take our decorative elements, which we're gonna here use some, summerish flowers, Gerber daisies, and reds and pinks, and we're gonna use half of these, and some lemon and lime slices.
Why only half, Joe?
Because we're gonna put it back in the freezer. Right? If you put it all in right now, all the stuff's going to float to the top.
This is like the dog toy I made last year. It's steps.
Exactly.
Take steps.
We'll put it back in the freezer till it's frozen solid, and then we're going to repeat that. So this is technically 3, elements. So you have 3 steps to freezing it. Repeat. Pour the rest of the water on there. And what we're going to do is, when this is frozen solid, we're going to soak it in the sink. Hot water, help loosen it up a little bit for a couple minutes. And then you just kind of carefully turn it out. But I have one that's totally ready.
Can't wait to see this.
Are you ready? I mean, I'm so proud of myself. This is amazing. I got it.
Wow.
Look at that.
See, Carol, I think you can make it look a lot prettier than that.
To your table.
It looks
so now we
nice.
take the ice. We put it in there.
Oh my God, I love it.
Right?
Put it on a pretty tray, put some mint or something around it.
Bottles of wine, possibly 3. Keep it nice and cool. You get triple coverage. You get the below freezing. You get the circumferential, and then you get the tactile. And then from the edge, then you can put some other things in there, and boom, this thing's gonna last your whole life. That lasts me up together. It's so cool. I'm saying you have it. Your summer party's just got a whole lot cooler.